So as of we were talking about the layers panel. So in the layers panels, you can see I have already created three different layers for our floor plan. So one is basically the walls, the other one is furniture, and the third one is fixture. And zero is by default the default layer that AutoCAD provides us. So that don't bother about that. Now let's focus on the three layers that we have created. So I have created a fixture layer which is different by color, and the line weight is different as well, and you can see how the line weights are changing accordingly with the layers. You can assign your own line weight and stuff like that. Now let's say uh, I want to assign my cabinets layer. So how do we do that? Hmm? So all we have to do is, let's say you are in layer 0, and now let's select your cabinet and just come to your layer properties and change your layer. Very easy, right? Just select it and come to your layer properties, change your layer. That's how you can assign your layer to your different objects. So that's perfect for now, and let's see what else we can do with our drawing.